Welcome back, my beautiful, pretty, darling students. We are now going to be finding the length of GH. So we want to know what is the length of this arc. So if I were to take this arc and stretch it out straight and measure it with a ruler, that would tell me what the length of that arc is. So let's get going. So what is the arc length of a circle, my super smart students? It is the circumference formula times the portion of the circle we're dealing with. So our arc length, which we denote with an L, equals 2 pi r times the degree of the arc we're dealing with out of the total degree, which is 360. All right, let's get the show on the road. So it's 2 pi times our radius, which in this case, the radius is 6 meters. All right, times the degree of the arc over 360. So the degree of my arc, it's 40 degrees. You guys are so smart. So 40 degrees out of my total degree in the circle, which is 3 to the 60. Bam. All right, let's start multiplying stuff. And my screen looks blurry. Hopefully I can fix that. Da-da-da. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, so length equals 2 times pi times 6, which is 12 pi. Times, well, let me reduce down this fraction. So again, if I divide by 10, that eliminates 1 0. Bam. My degrees also cancel out. And 4 over 36, what is the largest number that divides into 4 and 36? Holy hot dog, you guys are so smart. It is 4. So I'm going to divide both of these by 4, which I'm running out of space. Okay, 4 divided by 4 cancels and turns to 1. So this is 1. Sorry, I'm not using my markers properly. 1 over 36 divided by 4 is 9. So we're dealing with 1/9 of the circle. Nice. All right, and since we're dealing with fractions, I'm going to change 12 pi to a fraction, which is secretly over 1. And then we simply just multiply across. Then we're going to be done, you guys, which is sad because this is the last problem that we're doing in this section. It's kind of sad. So the arc length equals 12 pi times 1 is 12 pi over 1 times 9, which is 9. And what divides into 12 and 9? Insane, you guys. It is 3. So I'm going to divide both of these bad boys by 3. 12 pi divided by 3 will give me 4 pi, and 9 divided by 3 will give me 3. So the arc length is 4 pi over 3, and my units are meters. And remember, we don't need a square because we only have one unit we're dealing with. We don't have more than one. We just have the radius. So that's why it's not squared. In our, like when we have area, like the last one was pi r squared, so it's r times r. So we're dealing with 2 radii. So that's why it's squared when you have area, but with length and circumference, it's not squared. So it's just L equals 4 pi over 3 meters. And guess what, you guys? That's it. Nice job.